What is up, YouTube? It is Matt back with another crypto video today on Tron TRX. This first article I have for you here out of the crypto recorder, Tron TRX could do a moonshot in Q4. Here is why. Second article here out of Ethereum World News, the new ICO on the Tron network plans to create a decentralized exchange for TRX tokens, and follow it up with this last article here out of AMB Crypto, Tron TRX, Justin Sun, telling the world to stop deploying decentralized applications to Ethereum and shift to the Tron network. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to get notifications for every time I post new content. Like it, share it, leave a comment, and let's get right to it. So this first article out of the crypto recorder, Tron TRX could do a moonshot in Q4, and here is why. So after a difficult few months for Tron TRX, there could be some light at the end of the tunnel. There is a good reason to believe that Tron TRX bottomed out and could be headed for a major rally going into Q4 of 2018. This is based on a confluence of key macro and internal factors that could lay the groundwork for a Tron moonshot in Q4, and here are a few of them. Number one, Tron TRX core fundamentals are getting stronger. Even in the depths of the bear market, Tron has in the last couple months made several developments that add to the intrinsic value of this project. For instance, the acquisition of BitTorrent. Though it didn't affect the price at the time, it gave Tron depth in the peer-to-peer market. There was also the launch of the Tron virtual machine, which meant that it was possible for developers to launch decentralized applications on the Tron network. While there hasn't been an influx of decentralized applications on the Tron ecosystem, they are slowly beginning to emerge, which leads me to the second article that I have for you, is that this new ICO plans to create a decentralized exchange on Tron's network. So back to the first article. Interesting projects like Seedit, a multi-platform payment system, are now building on the Tron ecosystem. These are developments that will now give Tron TRX a higher intrinsic value relative to its price in the market today. Compared to last year when it was still a concept, Tron TRX is at a point where the fundamental perspective, it is highly undervalued. As such, the chances of further downslide by Tron are highly improbable unless there is a total market collapse that pushes the entire crypto market below $100 billion. This scenario is highly unlikely at this point since bullish sentiment has returned to the market, and as this bullish sentiment grows stronger, it is cryptos that have a heavy mismatch between its price and its value that will draw the most investments, and this is already happening with Tron's TRX. From a look at the Tron TRX long-term charts, there are signs that buyers are slowly outweighing the sellers, and the market is entering a consolidation phase. A look at the weekly chart shows that after the bears pushed Tron TRX to a low of just over 1.5 cents in early August, they have since lost momentum. For the last 1 month, the value of Tron TRX has been oscillating around 2.5 cents to a low of just under 1 cent. Well, I'm sorry, just under 2 cents. This is a major indicator that there is a market consensus that Tron TRX is not worth much less than 2 cents. Once there is enough consolidation at this level and Tron TRX gains enough momentum to break above the 2.5 cent mark, it could mark the beginning of a long-term bull run that could see it outpace its all-time highs. So reason number two that we could see a Tron moonshot in Q4 is the social media sentiment is improving. Social media sentiment around Tron TRX has improved significantly in the last couple of days. It now ranks better than Bitcoin and other cryptos on social media and on Google Trends as well. This supports the above analysis that Tron TRX could have hit a bottom as its fundamentals continue to gain depth in the market. Investors are taking note and money is flowing back into Tron TRX. With improved social media sentiment, all it will take is a sustained price rise for the next few weeks and then FOMO buying to kick in, which will push the price to new heights. And that's kind of exactly what we saw with XRP the past couple of days. There was a couple of exciting announcements that happened kind of back to back, and then FOMO took over and the price shot up over 100% in 3 days. So a similar situation could take place with Tron. So reason number three, more exchange support for Tron and the TRX token. Exchange support does matter for the long-term growth of a cryptocurrency. The more exchanges that support the crypto, the better its chances of attracting new investment are. The last couple of weeks have seen Tron TRX get listed on more exchanges. Major exchanges like Binance and BitTorrent have also introduced a non-Bitcoin pairings for Tron TRX, which is reducing its price correlation to Bitcoin. Valued on its own fundamentals, Tron TRX is worth way more than 2 cents. BitTorrent alone gives it a valuation that is way higher than that, with its millions of users. With higher accessibility and improved market sentiment, Tron TRX could be headed into an interesting Q4. So certainly the next couple months will tell if that is the case or not, but really Tron seems to have found its bottom at just below 2 cents at the 1.9 cent place, and unless there's a total market collapse of cryptocurrency, which is highly unlikely, it shouldn't go below that. So really, if you're purchasing Tron at the moment, you're really buying it at the bottom. But remember, this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. So the second article I have for you here, the new ICO on the Tron network plans to create a decentralized exchange for the TRX tokens. And this article is out of Ethereum World News. The Tron TRX mainnet recently had its fully functional Tron virtual machine integrated onto the platform on the 30th of August. This event marked the beginning of a new era of the Tron project, an era of decentralized applications. The Tron network also has added capability of creating tokens in a manner similar to how Ethereum network has successfully done so for the last few years. So the Tron Market Watch ICO. It is therefore not surprising that there is a team that has seen the need for a decentralized exchange for the Tron tokens that will become part of the Tron ecosystem. This decentralized exchange project goes by the name of Tron Watch Market, and its main goal is as follows. It is to become an intuitive and fully featured decentralized exchange that will allow you to trade between Tron, TRX 10, and TRX 20 tokens in a secure, decentralized manner. Tron Watch Market will help to increase the liquidity of the Tron token network. As the DEX supports all tokens on the network, every token on the network will benefit from this. So the Tron Watch Market sale date. The current countdown on the Tron Watch Market website currently reads 1 day, 7 hours until at the moment of writing. The price for participating in the crowdfunding is 1 TRX will get you 2 TWM. And this was posted the other day. So if you look at Tron Watch Market's website itself, the sale is now on, and it will continue for the next just under 35 days. And they are already at 11%. And really, when I first was looking up articles for this video, it was only at 1%. So it's already jumped 10% in just about an hour. So if you're interested in buying these tokens, you can do so on the Tron mobile app. So the project goes on to explain that the Tron Watch Market token will facilitate key features on the decentralized exchange, such as lifetime trading, listing tokens payable by TWM, and also voting on the platform. TWM has also partnered with Sesame Seed to bring the TWM token sale to the Seed Germinator platform. Seed holders can purchase the TWM tokens through the platform. The project's white paper, I won't read it to you, but I'll provide a link to this article and you can read it yourself. Also goes on to explain why they chose to pick the Tron platform, as quoted here. Tron is a relatively young platform, having launched their mainnet in June of 2018, with its goal to decentralize the web and its focus on creating a decentralized application-friendly infrastructure. Tron is sure to attract developers and ICOs. There is potential for many tokens to be available on the Tron network in the near future, and Tron Watch wants to help them be successful. So, switching to this last article here, Justin Sun is telling the world to stop deploying decentralized applications to Ethereum and to shift to the Tron network. On the 24th of September, Justin Sun, the CEO and founder of Tron Foundation, asked developers to stop deploying decentralized applications on the Ethereum blockchain and instead shift to the Tron blockchain. He said, yes, please stop deploying decentralized applications to Ethereum and migrate to the Tron network immediately. We are 100 times faster than Ethereum and fully compatible with Ethereum. We are 100% guarantee a better user experience. And that's a bold claim there to say it will be 100% better than Ethereum. This comes in the limelight after a developer, I'm not going to say it, well, I'll try to say it, but I'm going to butcher it, Afri Skoden, announced on Twitter that the Ethereum network was at full capacity. This was the result of CryptoKitties clogging the network. The developer suggested deploying the important stuff to the Ethereum Classic network and also referred to it as the original Ethereum, or the POA network, a sidechain of the Ethereum network. This gentleman said on Twitter, this was his quote here, "Please stop deploying decentralized applications to Ethereum. We are running at capacity. Use Ethereum Classic and POA or whatever else is available to and bridge important stuff. These networks have plenty of capacity and are well supported by MyCrypto, MetaMask, etc." According to Blocktivity, the Ethereum blockchain was at full capacity at press time. In addition, there are more than 59,000 pending transactions. However, Vitalik Buterin, the co-founder of Ethereum, disagreed with the statement. Vitalik stated that there are several decentralized applications which can undergo gas utilization optimization. Moreover, he stated that if one decentralized application takes up a lot of gas, other decentralized applications will be forced to utilize gas more efficiently. And I find this kind of funny because Vitalik did not say we are not running at full capacity. He simply stated we need to better utilize the gas we are using. And if one application is taking up a lot of it, then the others on the network need to figure out how to utilize it more efficiently. So kind of in a way saying we are at full capacity, we just need to figure out a way to better utilize and be more efficient. So according to the foundation, the Tron virtual machine is completely compatible with that of the Ethereum virtual machine. During the launch of the TVM, Justin Sun has stated that the Ethereum virtual machine developers can shift to the Tron platform for almost free. The virtual machine launch was marked as a step towards expanding the Tron ecosystem. The Tron decentralized application ecosystem is divided into three parts: developer tools, engine tools, and third-party tools. During the launch of the beta version of the TVM, the CTO of Tron, Lucien, explained the developer tools include the Tron Web, Tron Link, and the Tron Truffle and Tron Remix. These tools are similar to the Ethereum tools. Tron Web, which was recently released, it's also similar to Ethereum's web.js. On the other side, Tron Link is equivalent to Ethereum's MetaMask, Tron Shuffle equivalent to Ethereum's Truffle, and the Remix is Tron's version of Ethereum's Remix. So it's all very similar to the Ethereum concept. So that will wrap up this video. Again, if you guys enjoy it, hit the subscribe button, like it, share it, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys later.